Welcome back. There is a terror alert that's been sounded in Nagpur. Police in Nagpur say some VA and VPs, vital assets and points, important installations in Nagpur have been on Jaish-e-Mohammed. That's a Pakistan-based terrorist organization. They've been on the terror radar of Jaish-e-Mohammed, and some suspected terrorists and overground workers may have carried out a reconnaissance, a recce of these sensitive areas. Recce has been carried out by Jaish-e-Mohammed affiliated terrorists in Nagpur. The recce was carried out, according to intelligence inputs, between 60 to 90 days is what police sources tell India Today. We are also being told that photography and drone coverage has now been banned around the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, the RSS headquarters. Let's quickly cut across and listen in to Nagpur police.
देखिए, कुछ ऐसी इन्फॉर्मेशन आई थी कि कुछ जैश-ए-मोहम्मद के कुछ टेररिस्ट नागपुर में कुछ ठिकानों की रेकी किए थे। इस जानकारी ये आने के बाद हमने अपनी कार्रवाई शुरू की है और हमने एक अनलॉफुल एक्टिविटीज़ प्रिवेंशन एक्ट के तहत एक गुनाह हमने रजिस्टर किया है और उसको क्राइम ब्रांच इन्वेस्टिगेट कर रही है। जो भी सुरक्षा की विषय है, सुरक्षा की जो भी टारगेट्स है उसकी सुरक्षा की हम पुख्ता इंतज़ाम कर रहे हैं। सुरक्षा इन सभी स्थानों की बढ़ाई गई है।
And India Today's Divesh Singh now joins us for more on the story. Divesh, what more do we know of the threat and steps being taken to counter the threat?
Well, Gaurav, this particular input was received by the Nagpur crime branch. They learned from their sources that few militants affiliated to the Jaish-e-Mohammed, a banned militant outfit, banned terrorist outfit, had carried out reconnaissance in Nagpur at some vital installations in Nagpur. Remember, the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh has its headquarters in Nagpur. Also, the Hedgewar Bhavan is located in the Reshambagh locality of Nagpur. So, these are some of the important installations located in Nagpur. And Amitesh Kumar, who is the Nagpur Police Commissioner, has gone on record and said that few vital installations were wrecked by these militants who were affiliated from Jaish-e-Mohammed, and a team from Nagpur police has already been sent to Srinagar for further investigation. A case has been registered by the Nagpur police while the investigation is underway. Information has been shared with other agencies as well. Meanwhile, Nagpur police is investigating this case, they are trying to locate the people who had visited Nagpur, had carried out reconnaissance in these particular areas on these particular installations, and their identities are now have been found, but police is looking for them. A team has already left for Srinagar.
Divesh Singh, for the moment, many thanks for joining me. Extremely critical at this point of time to ensure that action is taken against those who are out to harm our country and interests. A quick break at this stage.